Hi, I'm Lexi. Let's learn 10 super speed phrases in English. Number 1, gobble. It means to eat something quickly and eagerly. Example, the kids gobbled the cookies before dinner. Number 2, gulp. It means to swallow food or drink quickly in large mouthfuls. Example, he gulped the water after his workout. Number 3, scribble. It means to write something quickly and carelessly. Example, she scribbled the note on a napkin. Number 4, gabble. It means to speak very fast and often unclearly. Example, he gabbled through his presentation because he was nervous. Number 5, sprint. It means to run at full speed for a short distance. Example, she sprinted to catch the train. Number 6, dash. It means to move very quickly for a short time. Example, he dashed across the street to make it before the light changed. Number 7, skim. It means to read quickly to get the main ideas. Example, I skimmed the article before the meeting. Number 8, hustle. It means to work fast and energetically to get things done. Example, they hustled to finish the project before the deadline. Number 9, crunch. It means to think quickly and process information or numbers fast. Example, she crunched the numbers in her head and gave the answer instantly. Number 10, snap. It means to make a quick decision without much thought. Example, he made a snap decision to leave early. Wow, you just learned 10 awesome English phrases for doing things in super speed. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss a vocabulary lesson. See you in the next video.